Chapter number 10, magnetic field due to electric current. Today we discuss about magnetic force on wire carrying a current. This wire may be straight wire or arbitrarily shaped wire. First, we discuss about the shape of wire is straight wire. Then, what magnetic force acting on this wire? Suppose we consider a uniform magnetic field B bar. This is the uniform magnetic field B bar, and a straight wire is kept in this magnetic field whose length capital L. This is the straight wire kept in uniform magnetic field B bar. Then the current produced in this wire, this current is suppose I current passing through this wire and feeding with the drift velocity Vd bar with the drift velocity, and this wire and field is perpendicular to each other, hence the force Fm bar is produced on this wire, and we find out the value of this Fm bar. Let the length L is the length of wire and I is the current passing through this wire. Vd is the drift velocity. Also T is the time at which the current passing through this wire. Then the value of velocity Vt is equal to distance upon time, or distance is nothing but total length of wire. Therefore, velocity distance upon time, or Vt bar distance is nothing but total length of wire L upon time t. Therefore, t is equal to L upon Vd. T is equal to L upon Vd. Also, according to definition of electric current, I is equal to Q upon T. Charge per unit time is nothing but electric current. Therefore, Q is equal to I into T. Using value of T, Q is equal to I L upon V. This is the total charge produced in this wire, straight wire, I L upon Vd. And we find out the value of force Fm bar is equal to Q into bracket Vd bar cross. This is the force due to magnetic field. Fm bar is equal to Q into bracket Vd bar cross d bar. or this is also written as Fm bar is equal to Q phi d B into sin theta. Fm bar is equal to, using value of Q, IL upon phi d. Instead of Q we put IL phi d into phi d B sin theta. Therefore, Fm bar, that is magnetic force, Fm bar is equal to Vd cancel, IL B into sin theta. But this field, magnetic field, and the length of wire is perpendicular to each other, hence theta is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, Fm bar is equal to ILB into sin 90. Or sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Therefore, Fm bar is equal to I L bar cross B bar. This is the magnetic force acting on this wire when this straight wire kept in magnetic field B bar. Fm bar is equal to I L bar cross B bar, where Fm bar means magnetic force, I current passing through this straight wire, L length of straight wire, and B is the magnetic field. This is the magnetic force on wire carrying current when wire is straight wire. Second case, if the wire is arbitrarily shaped wire, then what is the magnetic force acting on that wire? Secondly, we discuss the arbitrarily shaped wire. Suppose we consider this is the arbitrarily shaped wire, and we consider the DL bar is the very small length of this wire, and the Fm bar is the force acting on this wire. Again, this wire kept in uniform magnetic field B bar. And suppose this is the I is the electric current passing through this wire. Then we find out the value of this Fm bar in case of arbitrarily shaped wire and due to uniform magnetic field B bar. At point whose length, very small length dl bar, in this case the force acting on this wire is Fm bar or small force dFm bar. dFm bar, which is very small force acting on this particular length, that is small length dl bar, which is equal to, using above equation in case of straight line, dFm bar is equal to I, this small length element dl bar, into B bar, where this B bar is nothing but magnetic field, or Fm bar is equal to, taking integration, so we get total force acting on this wire, integration dFm bar, or Fm bar is equal to integration I dl bar into d. But electric current I and field is uniform or constant, therefore Fm bar is equal to I into P integration dl bar. For this integration, but integration dl bar is nothing but total length of wire, that is L. Therefore Fm bar is equal to I into B bar cross L bar, or L bar cross B bar. This is the force acting, magnetic force acting on this wire when the shape of wire is arbitrarily shaped wire, where Fm bar means magnetic force, I means current passing through this wire, B bar means again magnetic field, and L means total length of this wire. In both the case, in straight wire or arbitrary shaped wire, the same force acting on this wire.